Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Kawasaki Ninja 500R. This is a lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike, liquid cooled, fantastic condition for an 06, only 8,500 miles. Great starter bike, lightweight but big enough to make that commute. Just checked out in the service department. Cosmetically, she's pretty good and she's ready to go. Mechanically sound. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.